Hey y'all, it's my mom's birthday. It's March 19th, so I want to do a little crawfish boil. I didn't work today. So what I have here, I have 12 of the little ears of corn, half ears. I got 4 whole onion, and I think I got maybe 6 or 7 lemon, and I got this about 2 of these 3-pound bags of potatoes for $3, y'all. And the onion was 2 for $3, but I only used maybe one and a little bit of the, I wanted to get some with a nice little size to them. Then I got my mandel sausages here. I'm going to put this sea salt and a stick of butter in the water, and along with the seasoning, and I'll bring y'all outside to the pot. Okay, y'all, this is the seasoning I'm using. I'm using the Louisiana Crawfish Boil. But let me tell you something. When you're boiling crawfish, you don't want to just use this. You want to also put salt in your water. One guy I saw, he put a whole box. I'm not going to put a whole box, and I have sea salt. Let me tell you why. You know how if you're a cook and you make gravy, but you don't put salt in your rice water, and you notice how you got flavor, but it's sitting on top of the food? The salt, remember, salt saturates. This stuff sits on the top, if that makes sense. So that's why you want to add salt to your water also. And I have sea salt. But you also want to do your stick of butter, because that's what's going to make your crawfish easy to peel. Okay, be back. All right, y'all, I forgot. Also, I add the pickled jalapeno peppers to this as well. It doesn't make it hot, just give it flavor. You don't want to put the whole thing, but you put a little bit in there. Okay. All right, y'all. So this is what I got. Potato, sausage, and corn. I was going to do, I'm going to put eggs too. I was going to do neck bones, but y'all, those neck bones so big, I'm putting them in some gravy. So, but I'm going to go out there and put the lemons and the onions in the water along with the, and you want the pickled jalapenos so it won't be too hot. And I got them in here. That's about how much I'm going to put. I only have 1 sack. Okay? Be back. All right, y'all. We're in the pot here now. So, can y'all see the water? Yeah, y'all can see it. So you want to leave that space so you have enough room to put your crawfish and stuff in there. But we want the water to get hot. So we're going to add the salt. Like I said, this is like when you boiling rice. You want to make sure that your water is salted. And this is really not for seasoning. This is like, you ever had a dish where you ever cooked and you didn't put salt in your rice and like something was missing? That's all you do is add a little salt. We also going to add a stick of butter. I get the half sticks. What does that do? That helps.
Real butter.
Yeah, it's real butter. That helps to make them easy to peel. And then the Louisiana, you just kind of have to play around with this. I'm going to actually stir this and see, actually, y'all. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I got my paddle here. You go in there and you stir. Really, we should have stirred it both before we put the strainer in there. And the paddle does all your stirring for you. Brother was right. I'm going to add a little bit more of this salt though.
Not only do you got crawfish, you got corn, potatoes.
Yeah, and so I'm going to stir some more. I'm going to go and get the onion and stuff to put in here now though. Don't do like I just did. Don't But listen at me. You do want to use. Some people say you don't need. That's my butter. Some people say you don't need regular salt if you cook. And you know what I just told you about the rice, or like when you boil the spaghetti, you want to salt the spaghetti. You want to salt this as well. It's not going to be too salty. Remember, the salt penetrates, the seasoning sits on the top. Right? So, Also, we're going to use the grease from the sausage is going to also help it to, Okay, so now we're going to add, and I have just this much, it's pickled though, pickled jalapeno peppers. And here's my lemon and my onion. Some people put bell pepper, mushrooms, we don't do all that. I am going to add some eggs.
You put some hot sauce in?
No, I ain't putting no hot sauce. I put a jalapeno pepper, so yeah.
Oh.
Okay? And so we're going to just let that boil. I got to go to the top and put back on it. Be back, y'all. All right, y'all. Here's what it's looking like with everything in it. It's gotten late. It's dark out here.
The taste of Louisiana.
So, got some Louisiana cooking going on up in here today. But, y'all can't really see. I ain't finna bring my ring light and everything. It got dark on it. So, I'll do it again. But I just want to show y'all how we get started. All right, bye. All right, y'all. That's what it looks like done. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to show y'all everything. But it was cold outside. We were trying to get through. All right. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye. All right, y'all. Okay.